my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing my September Knitcrate. Back there, if you don't know what Knitcrate is, I'm going to explain that to you, sis. I got you. For those of you who don't know about Knitcrate, Knitcrate is a monthly yarn subscription box. You get this subscription each month, and the box that I get is called Anything Goes. So let's just jump right into opening this bad boy. Now, this is the September Knitcrate box, but the theme went so well with Vlogtober, because you know I'm doing Vlogtober, so the theme went perfect. So the theme in this box is called Night of the Living Yarn. So each month you do get a pamphlet with tons of patterns in it for knit or crochet, but since COVID, they have been giving us these little cards, and you just scan the little barcode and you can get your pattern. So when you open your box, your yarn schemes will be wrapped up in this little decorative paper here. And you guys, I keep this paper, I do not throw it away. I reuse this for birthday gift bags. Judge me if you want to, but I recycle this paper. So this is what your schemes of yarn will be wrapped up in when you open your box. So each month you get a goodie in your yarn box. And this month goodie was this cute little project patch that you can iron onto your project bags. And it says, "Zombies beware, I'm yarn and dangerous." How cute is that? And you can iron this onto your little project bag. That is super duper cute. I absolutely love this. All right, girls, so the moment you've been waiting for, if you are a knitter or a crocheter, let's get into this yarn. So this month our yarn comes from Villa Delana Dust, and the color that I have is called Sanguine. And I'm just going to bring her forward so you can see the color on this yarn hank. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful. This is a DK weight yarn, and it is 60% Hakaya alpaca and 40% Suri alpaca. This yarn is 231 yards and 100 grams. What? I am loving the color. Okay, I am loving all the inspiration that this color is giving me. I can see myself knitting some socks. I can see myself knitting a cute little slouchy hat for the winter time. Even a little cute knitted cow. I love it. You do get 2 schemes of yarn in your Knitcrate, and they come wound up in these little hanks. Now you do have to unwind your yarn, and each of the Knitcrate yarns you have to hand wash and lay flat to dry. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you knit or crochet, please leave me a comment down below. And if you know someone who does, please share this video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.